You changed your diesel's oil yesterday. Fresh, golden oil. You checked the dipstick this morning. It's already dark brown. After 500 miles, it's black. You're worried. Something must be wrong. The oil is contaminated. The engine is dirty. Maybe the rings are shot. Maybe there's excessive blow-by. Maybe you need to change it again. Here's the problem. You're judging your diesel oil the same way you judge petrol engine oil. And that's a mistake that's costing diesel owners thousands in unnecessary maintenance and missed warning signs of real problems. Because the truth about black diesel oil, it's not what you think. And what it actually means will completely change how you maintain your diesel. I'm going to show you the real science behind why diesel oil turns black, when you should worry and when you shouldn't, and the warning signs most diesel owners miss completely because they're obsessing over oil color. By the end, you'll know whether your black oil is normal or whether you've got a serious problem developing. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll reveal the one oil condition that requires immediate action, and it looks nothing like what you'd expect. Let's start with what's actually happening inside your diesel engine that turns oil black so fast. The answer is soot, massive amounts of soot. Your diesel engine produces 40 to 50 times more soot than a petrol engine. Every combustion cycle creates carbon particles. Every mile driven adds more soot to your oil. But here's the question. Is this normal or is my engine damaged? Diesel engines use compression ignition. You compress air to extreme pressure, 14:1 up to 20:1 compression ratio. When you inject fuel, it ignites spontaneously from heat and pressure. No spark plugs needed. Compare this to petrol engines at 10:1 or 11:1, compression with spark plugs igniting a premixed charge. During diesel combustion, fuel doesn't burn uniformly. The injection spray creates zones of varying air-fuel ratios. Fuel-rich zones with insufficient oxygen produce incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion creates carbon particles. Carbon particles are soot. This happens in every diesel engine, every combustion cycle, whether brand new or 300,000 miles. Soot production is inherent to compression ignition. You cannot prevent it. You can only manage it. The soot enters your oil through blow-by. During combustion, cylinder pressures reach 1,500 to 2,000 pounds per square inches. Some combustion gases escape past piston rings into the crankcase, carrying soot with them. In a petrol engine, blow-by gases contain minimal soot. Oil stays clean for thousands of miles. In a diesel engine, blow-by gases carry massive soot. Oil turns black within hundreds of miles. So does this mean your engine is damaged? Not necessarily. The real question is, what happens to the soot once it's in your oil? You have two possibilities. Possibility 1, soot suspends in your oil, turning it black but keeping your engine clean. Possibility 2, soot deposits on engine surfaces, forming sludge while your oil stays amber-colored. Which is better? Obviously, possibility 1. You want soot in your oil, not on your engine. Modern diesel oil contains powerful dispersant additives. These molecules bond to soot particles on one end and oil molecules on the other, creating a stable suspension where soot remains surrounded by oil, unable to clump or deposit. When your oil turns black quickly, dispersants are working. The soot is in the oil where it's harmless, not on your pistons, rings, and bearings where it causes damage. The question isn't whether your oil is black. The question is, what else is going on? Let me show you the difference between normal black oil and problem oil. Normal black diesel oil, dark brown to black within 500 to 1,000 miles. Flows smoothly off the dipstick, mild petroleum smell, oil level stable, engine runs normally. This oil might be perfectly fine despite being black. Problem oil, milky brown like a chocolate milkshake. This is coolant contamination, catastrophic problem requiring immediate action. Strong diesel fuel smell, fuel dilution from leaking injectors or excessive short trips, reduces oil viscosity and compromises lubrication. Metallic sparkle when held to light. Excessive sparkle indicates abnormal wear. Rising oil level, severe fuel dilution entering the crankcase. Thick, sludgy consistency, degraded oil or contamination. Gritty texture, contamination from dirt or metal particles. Notice what matters: smell, consistency, level, and texture, not color. Here's what most diesel owners get wrong. They focus on oil color while missing real warning signs. What you should actually check: oil level weekly. Low oil causes catastrophic damage. High oil indicates fuel dilution. Stable level matters more than color. Oil smell. Diesel fuel smell means investigate injectors. Burn smell means overheating. Sweet smell means coolant leak. Oil consistency. Healthy oil flows smoothly. Oil that drips slowly or separates indicates problems. Oil change intervals based on driving. Most driving, 5,000 to 7,500 miles maximum. Short trips, 5,000 miles, extended highway only, 7,500 miles maximum, potentially 10,000 miles only, with oil analysis confirmation. Oil consumption. Minimal consumption is normal. Significant consumption indicates rings, valve seals, or turbo seal problems. Why is diesel oil different from petrol oil? Diesel oil is rated API CK4, CJ4, or CI4. Petrol oil is API SN or SP. They're not interchangeable. Diesel oil contains higher levels of dispersants to handle soot, detergents to prevent deposits, and additives to neutralize acids. Petrol oil cannot handle diesel soot loading. Use petrol oil in a diesel and soot deposits as sludge while your engine dies internally. Always use proper diesel-rated oil. Now let's talk about the one oil condition that requires immediate action. Milky oil that looks like a chocolate milkshake. This indicates coolant contamination. Even 0.4% coolant causes sludge formation and destroys bearings within hundreds of miles. If you see milky discoloration, stop driving immediately. Do not continue. Stop, diagnose, and repair before operating further. Common causes: failed head gasket, cracked cylinder head, cracked engine block, failed oil cooler. Repair costs: $1,500 to $5,000. Delay costs: $8,000 to $15,000 if you destroy the engine. Here's what experienced diesel mechanics know. Black oil after 500 miles in a diesel is expected. Black oil after 500 miles in a petrol engine indicates serious problems. Diesel mechanics identify inexperienced diesel owners immediately when they say, "My oil turned black right away. Something must be wrong." Experienced diesel owners check oil regularly, ignore color completely, focus on level and smell, and change based on mileage. Their engines last 300,000 to 500,000 miles. If you want to know true oil condition, send a sample to a laboratory. Oil analysis costs $25 to $35 and measures viscosity, fuel dilution, coolant contamination, wear metals, soot loading, additive depletion, and total base number. Oil analysis tells you everything. Color tells you nothing. For most owners, proper change intervals of 5,000 to 7,500 miles are sufficient. Your action plan: check oil level weekly. When checking, assess smell, consistency, and level. Color is irrelevant. Change oil at 5,000 to 7,500 miles for most driving. Short trips, 5,000 miles. Highway only, 7,500 miles maximum. Potentially 10,000 with oil analysis. Never based on color. Use proper diesel-rated oil, API CK4 or equivalent. If oil is milky, stop immediately. If oil smells like fuel, investigate injectors. If level rises, diagnose fuel dilution. Save money by not changing oil prematurely. A diesel owner changing at 3,000 miles because it looks black wastes $400 to $500 per year. So what does black diesel oil really mean? It means your oil contains soot from normal diesel combustion. Whether this is a problem depends on everything except color. Oil level stable, smell normal, consistency good, then black oil is fine. Oil level rising, fuel smell, milky appearance, then you have real problems requiring action. Your diesel oil turns black because soot production is inherent to compression ignition, and modern diesel oil suspends that soot instead of letting it deposit on engine components. This is diesel operation. This is normal. This is what you want. The diesel owners who understand this save thousands in unnecessary maintenance and catch real problems early by focusing on what actually matters. The diesel owners who don't waste money changing oil based on color while missing real warning signs like fuel dilution, coolant contamination, and wear. Which owner will you be? What's your experience with diesel oil? Do you change based on color or intervals? Share your story in the comments. If this explanation changed how you maintain your diesel and showed you what actually matters, hit that like button and subscribe for more diesel knowledge that saves you money and prevents real problems. Thanks for watching.